For the second example of order of operations, we're going to simplify a big fraction, which if we read this, we have -2 times 6 to the second power plus 12, all divided by 7 plus the quantity 5 plus 3. Anytime that you have a fraction that you're going to simplify using the order of operations, you're going to treat the numerator and the denominator as two separate problems until the very end, and then you'll see that we'll combine the numbers from the top and the bottom. So if you look at the numerator right now, the first thing that we would start with is parentheses. However, if you look at the parentheses, we don't have anything in this set of parentheses except a 6. So there's nothing for us to simplify in the parentheses right now. The next step of order of operations is to simplify exponents, which we see that we have 6 being raised to the second power. So if I simplify that, I have -2 times 6 to the second power would be 6 times 6, which is 36. And then I still have the plus 12 at the end. If you look at the denominator, we have 7 plus a set of parentheses with 5 plus 3 inside. So in the denominator, I am going to simplify this set of parentheses, and 5 plus 3 would give me 8. So in the denominator, I have 7 plus 8. The next thing that I'm going to do is multiply or divide from left to right, and I'm going to look for that in both the numerator and the denominator. On the top of the fraction, we have -2 times 36. So if I combine those two numbers by multiplying, that's going to give me a -72 plus 12. In the denominator, we don't have any multiplication or division, so I'm just going to copy down 7 plus 8 for now. Finally, we're going to add or subtract from left to right. So if I do the numerator, I have -72 plus 12, which is going to give me a -60. And in the denominator, I have 7 plus 8, which gives me a 15. Now, I've run out of room on the bottom of the board, so even in your packet as you're working, if you find that you run out of space, you can always just draw an arrow and continue the work next to it. Now that the numerator and the denominator are both single numbers, we're going to divide as our last step to combine those values. -60 divided by 15 would give me my final answer of -4.